I bought this camera at a local online auction. It was brand new. After about 4 hours of me trying to pair my phone to the camera, I called Swann Technical Support, and they told me that this camera was no good. That in 2019, they updated their servers, and the old cameras are not any good. I did watch a YouTube video prior to bidding on this camera and saw how easy it was to hook up. It was easy to hook up, except for it will not pair. If the model number, if you go to buy this camera in Home Depot or wherever, and the model number starts with SWWHD, as in Sam Whiskey Whiskey Hotel Delta, do not buy it. It is an old camera. You need a camera that the model number starts with SWIFI, as in Sam Whiskey India Foxtrot India. Swann should have pulled every one of these old cameras off the shelf, in my opinion, and they should have put new hardware in them. Some stores have old stock, and they put that old stock out. But if you so happen to buy a Swann security camera that has the model that starts with SWWHD, it will not work. That's a bad thing on Swann. I probably will not buy another Swann product.